Dun po ba sa motion din po na isusumiti po ng House Prosecution Panel, may anything about the issue on Senate leadership? Because I believe po, any motion, for example, to resolve kung sino ang presiding officer, because sabi niyo po, Kong Jervil, kung kayo po yung tatanungin, mas dapat pong magkaroon na ng duly elected Senate President, pero wala po kasing session ngayon, so hindi makakapag-elect ng Senate President.
You were watching my interview. For the record, the House of Representatives already recognized the leadership of acting SP Win Gatchalian. As a matter of fact, we articulated already that we will be appearing before the impeachment court initiated by acting SP Win Gatchalian, who nowadays is the one signing the notices in his capacity as presiding officer, no? I expressed that concern because I understand that impeachment is a very sensitive matter. Why sensitive? You know what happened to the first impeachment back in the 19th Congress. We are of the humble position that we complied strictly the requirements for the second mode of filing an impeachment complaint and for transmitting the same to the Senate, no? That has been the general stand of the House of Representatives. But nonetheless, you know that later on, it was declared unconstitutional by the Honorable Supreme Court, no? Regardless of our strong position. So, with that in mind, it is really my concern that I hope magkaroon na ng duly elected Senate President. If it is acting SP Win Gatchalian, well, we will welcome that. If it will be someone else, we will welcome that because that is the judgment and prerogative of the members of the Senate. The reason is we are apprehensive that we might encounter another constitutional issue because we will be starting the trial and there is no duly elected Senate President. That is, of course, while we recognize the leadership of elected Senate President pro tempore and acting Senate President Win Gatchalian. Sana ma-address na yon para wala nang apprehension ng House about another possible constitutional issue to be raised in the Supreme Court.